How often do you wake up truly refreshed? How many mornings do you actually get out of bed the moment your alarm rings without hitting the snooze button again and again? Few things are more frustrating than going to bed early only to wake up exhausted and drained. Your morning energy isn't random. It's shaped by habits you repeat every single day, some of them silently stealing your energy without you noticing. In this video, you're about to discover practical changes that can help you wake up earlier, feel more rested, and start your day with real energy. Let's begin. Stop pressing snooze. It's draining your energy. Hitting the snooze button may feel comforting, but it doesn't give you real rest. Those extra minutes aren't helping you recover. They're actually making you more tired. Every time you fall back asleep for a brief moment, your brain slips into a new sleep phase. Then the alarm interrupts that cycle again, leaving you groggy, sluggish, and unfocused. This is why mornings feel harder than they should. If you want to wake up with clarity and energy, the first habit you must break is the snooze button. Your body wakes in cycles, not by the clock. Your sleep doesn't happen randomly. It moves in natural cycles that last about 90 minutes. When you hit snooze and fall back asleep, you restart a new cycle your body never had time to finish. Then the alarm cuts it off again, right in the middle of deep or REM sleep. That interruption is why you wake up exhausted, even after spending enough hours in bed. Waking up at the end of a sleep cycle can make the difference between feeling drained and feeling fully recharged. The right wake-up time changes everything. Even if you sleep for many hours, waking up at the wrong moment can leave you exhausted. That's why timing matters more than duration alone. Your body naturally knows when it's ready to wake. You just have to stop fighting it. By aligning your alarm with the end of a sleep cycle, you allow your brain and body to wake together. This simple adjustment can transform your mornings, making you feel alert, focused, and ready to start the day with clarity. Consistent sleep times. Train your body to rest. Your body thrives on rhythm, not randomness. Going to bed at different times every night confuses your internal clock. One night at 10 p.m., another at 3 a.m., and your body never truly knows when to shut down or wake up. When you sleep and wake at the same time every day, your body learns the pattern. Over time, you begin waking naturally at the end of a sleep cycle, without struggle. Consistency isn't restrictive. It's what allows deep rest and effortless mornings. Your body knows exactly how much sleep it needs. There is no universal number that works for everyone. Some people feel restored after 7 hours. Others need 8 or even 9. The key is not guessing, it's listening. When you sleep at the same time each night and wake up without an alarm, your body reveals its true requirement. Track your sleep for a full week, and patterns will begin to emerge. Once you know your number, you can design your bedtime with precision and wake up feeling restored, not rushed. Your day should start with water, not caffeine. After 6 to 8 hours without drinking, your body wakes up dehydrated. That dehydration slows your brain, reduces focus, and makes you feel sluggish before the day even begins. A simple glass of water in the morning can instantly wake up your system. It rehydrates your cells, supports mental clarity, and prepares your body for movement. Many times when you feel tired, you don't need coffee. You need water. Energy is created by movement, not by resting longer. When you wake up, your body doesn't need more sleep. It needs circulation. Even light movement sends oxygen to your brain and signals your nervous system to wake up. This is why exercise gives you energy instead of taking it away. You don't need an intense workout. Stretching, walking, or a few simple movements are enough to activate your body. The moment you start moving, your energy begins to rise. Screens at night confuse your brain. Your phone, TV, and computer emit artificial blue light. At night, that light sends the wrong signal to your body. It tells your brain that it's still daytime, even when the world outside is dark. Normally, your body releases melatonin, the hormone that prepares you for deep sleep. But blue light blocks that process. The result is restless sleep, late nights, and tired mornings. If you want better sleep, protect your evenings from screens. If you can't avoid screens, filter the light. Ideally, screens should be avoided before sleep, but if you must use your phone or computer at night, there's a smarter way to protect your brain. Blue light is the real problem, not the screen itself. By reducing that light, you allow melatonin to do its job. Apps like Twilight and F.Lux shift your screen to warmer tones after sunset, reducing strain on your eyes and minimizing sleep disruption. It's not a perfect solution, but it's far better than scrolling in full blue light. Change one habit, and your mornings will follow. You don't need to fix everything at once. Just start with one habit tonight. Stop pressing snooze. Protect your sleep. Wake your body with water and movement. Small changes repeated daily create unstoppable momentum. If you're serious about building habits that actually last, subscribe to Unbreakable Habits. This channel is here to help you wake stronger, think clearer, and live with discipline, one habit at a time.